Alrighty, we should be possibly live with any luck. I'm just gonna get things set up here, and you guys can let me know whether we are actually live or not. Sorry, I didn't even have a chance to finish what I was doing at the workbench here, but I'll try and finish it up. Maker stuff. This is holy smokes for latency. Looks like we just went live on the feed. We got some hot sauce I made the other day in July, and I got myself a label printer. Check that out. I got a label printer that we're going to use tonight after we put together an Arduino kit. Hopefully, we're going to do some electronics. And then I get to use my label printer to ship it out to you guys. But only if we successfully have a live stream. I think we do. Oh, crap. Alexa, trigger live show. Forgot. Trigger that. Hopefully everybody's having a good night and staying safe. Doing all the fun maker things. I know I have been. It's been a little crazy lately. Cheers! Hey, we are alive. Oh, yes, with horrible white balance. Let me fix that. Cheers, Robert. Hello to Alberta. I am not terribly far from you. Okay, white balance. Why does this always revert? That looks pretty close. We'll go with that. And we'll go to the wide. Yeah, I'm just in southwestern Ontario, so not terribly far from you. Okay, enough with the maker adventures of hot sauce. Stuff is really good, by the way. I grew jalapeno peppers in the backyard this year, and holy smokes, I'm swimming in the things. One plant has just been producing all bloody year, and it just keeps making more peppers. It's crazy. Sound and video is perfect. Thank you. Well, that makes me happy too. Wonderful. If we've got good audio and video, that will make life a lot easier. We've also got, I want to check and make sure this Amazon order was messed up. I've been fighting with them and finally settled with them today. They shipped me one of these when I paid for two, and then the seller, it was a reship through Amazon. The seller was blaming the courier and everything, saying it was their fault. Well, it was in a sealed bubble wrapped envelope, and I told them that, and I even gave them the damn order number that was in it, which was someone else's. Anyway, after they tried to rip off the courier, I just want to have a look at this real quick. This is a video transmitter for, oh, we can take a few minutes and I can show you what it's for. This is an AKK 800 milliwatt. Okay, good. It's in here. All right, so they weren't total scammers. Fulfilled by Amazon. Anyway, AKK X2 Ultimate video transmitter that will be going into, you guys, I don't think have seen this. Well, some of you might. As some of you, holy. Did that tearing come across on the video feed? I just saw a whole bunch of crazy tearing on my side. Anyway, catch up. I'm going up against Ada. I forgot Adafruit is streaming now. Well, that's so be it. I don't have a choice. This is the only time I got. But I don't think this made it into a mailbag. And so anyway, what I was saying, the mailbags have gone to supporters only now. I'm doing for the Patreon supporters. Sorry guys, I'm still putting out a brand new video every Friday, but mailbags just aren't suited for the channel anymore. They're not very professional looking. So I'm gonna try to just keep most of them patrons only. But anyway, you probably didn't see this unless you're a patron. And even then, it might not have gone out yet. But this is a 500 size quadcopter that we're going to use as a as a lifting rig for future projects. I've got RC Gut, a YouTube channel I follow, has interesting names for their their stuff like this. They call it the something puller. I see that tearing again. Same box on your shelf. Cool. Adafruit streams all the time. Yeah. Apt pupils here. Cheers. It is tearing. Oh crap. Okay. 1 second. Let me try. Wow, that's really bad. Why is this happening to me? When this catches up, tell me whether this tearing is... Oh. As soon as my hand came into shot, it stopped. That is really bad. I'm wondering if I restart... I've never had this problem before. If I change some settings in Logitech. The curse of the live streamer. Why? I'm just gonna try. 1 second, guys. Sorry. I apologize. I'm gonna kill some things. Kill this. I'm gonna try not to kill the stream here. Sorry, guys. Dead air, I know, but that's... I don't think it's the cable. It could be. Let's go. I don't think that's the cable. Oh, 1 second. Well, it stopped. I'm going to... Where's that? Run again. I'm going to kill that and bring it back. Now, OBS is probably not going to reload that camera now. You watch. Alright, we're back. Okay. Should do an electronic build on the live stream camera. Yeah. On the phone. Ah, we're back. What the hell? 1 second. What is... I don't think it's interference. I'm pretty sure it's the PC. Pull unneeded USB loads off. No, pretty sure it's... 1 second. Crud. Well, this is what happens when you don't live stream for a little while, right? Let me find webcam. That one, properties. No. I don't know whether we're going to be able to stream like this because I need that camera working. What we could do is get really creative and swap the overhead one in. We might have to do that. I'm just going to see whether it comes back. Yeah, I'm just going to see if that comes back. Well, if it comes back, what we'll do is... I swear I just saw it. I'm just going to change one thing. I'm just going to try and... it's a Logitech C920. It's possible it could be failing. And it could be the camera itself, but it acts more like software to me. Alright, well, you tell me whether it comes back. If it comes back when I'm not looking. Anyway, it's coming back right now. Okay. Let me do a really quick and dirty fix. How much wire have I got? Sorry. Look away. Don't get seasick. Look away from the light. Do-do-do. Whoa, hello. Look away. Hello. Okay, now we swap. Live stream, swapping cameras live. I do actually have a spare, but now we go to this one. Come on. Boink! Hello! And we turn that one off. Let's see what happens. Not that one. This one. Okay. Let's try this again, guys. It's upside down and inverted. Watch. Is it inverted? It is inverted. Why is it backwards? Okay. Nope. Why? And it's tearing too. I just saw it. Yeah, I did try unplugging it. We could give up. That's always an option. Yeah, it is reversed. That's bizarre. I have no idea why that webcam would be reversed and the other one wouldn't, but okay, we can fix that. And then and then how do you reverse this in OBS? Is it possible? Buffering, flip vertically. That'll work. There we go. Alright. That'll work for now, but if this one starts tearing, well, then we're just going to have to give up. And I will try again another time, but every time. I have an idea. Oh, do we even have... I apologize, I probably had crazy audio. Are we still alive? What do you think, guys? Should we keep trying? I don't know what to say. It's not the camera. It's definitely the PC or software acting up. And I'm pretty sure it's the software. The Logitech webcam software keeps firing back up. Never had this problem, but... So, I won't even go into it. Let me try a different software here. This PC did an update despite me having certain things disabled on it for exactly this reason. And now we're back to tearing again. Yeah, but that's two different cameras doing the exact same position. Yeah, it rotated, now it's on the top because the camera is backwards. And now it's acting up that I have the software open. But that's a different camera. That's not even the same camera. And if I... Well, at least it's steady now, but as soon as there's an image to be processed, I kind of think it's the image processing in OBS. As if we maybe make it simpler, pattern up close. Come on. Yeah, you guys didn't tune in to see this, did ya? This sucks. We might... Huh. Is it just the sheer amount of pattern from the bench? Should we troubleshoot this further? Is my audio still coming across okay? Because I just remembered after I was smashing those cameras around that I'm using the audio from that camera. So right, yeah, there's the tearing back. Now what if... Is it the image processing in the damn camera that's getting confused by the cutting mat? This is a new cutting mat. That has changed since the last time I live streamed. So, is it causing the Logitech camera to go? They're the same C920s. They're identical. So perhaps it's causing them to go batty. Huh. Alright, well, hey, let's run with it. Yeah, back. Let's see what happens. Cross your fingers and toes. Yeah, audio's fine. Okay, well, as long as the audio is good, then we can make this work and we can do something fun. Cool. Yeah, so here's a sneak peek. You guys, this hasn't gone live anywhere, not even on the Hackaday project yet, but this is the current iteration of the Rescue Air box. This is, well, here, I'll show you. Might as well give you guys are stuck around putting up with this insanely bad video and smacking cameras around. I'll show you where we're at with this. I've been field testing this thing. So the GPS, so for anybody who doesn't know, this is the Rescue Air. This is an ESP8266 project that sniffs the beacon frames from your cell phone and records them to an SD card, the MAC addresses, basically so we can find people where no people are. But it also has the GPS in there, it logs that, and I've got everything working now, and I'll try not to dox myself, but it boots up. Now I've got status okay. We're starting to get client on here, and in a second it should probably pick up we've got time from the GPS. Now, to avoid doxing myself, I'm going to kill that because it will show my GPS location shortly thereafter, even here in my basement. But it's all set up to run from the flight control. This hooks up to my F722 in my Nanotalon and pulls 5 volts from there. It only draws a few milliamps. It doesn't draw squat because we're not actually using the radio transmit function in ESP, but that's working quite wonderful. Actually, I'm super happy with the project. So I'm back to working on the ground unit now, and in a redesign of this air unit to fit the LCD and stuff better. But yeah, it seems to be working good. Yeah, hopefully, guys, hopefully. So I'm pretty happy with where it's headed, and that's so here. I'm scared to even move the camera, but I still can't believe it was actually, it's the cutting mat that was doing it. Huh. Live and learn. I was about to blame Windows. I got these, no one's seen these. No video has gone live. It goes live in 2 weeks, the first one. I've got these vector network analyzers because what I was doing was testing the telemetry down from this rescue unit and optimizing antennas, which these are a 2.4 gig antenna, and this I was using, back on track, this I was using for the 433 megahertz antennas, and that led me to purchasing yet another one that'll do 2.4 gig antennas. These things are under $100, and that led me down the road to even more craziness that's sitting over here. And all you guys that are a whole hell of a lot smarter than me will know what this is. And I've just been into this crazy place where I've been testing all this RF circuits, and I got freaking BNC connections and adapters and stuff everywhere, and all driven by this rescue project. This thing, I've learned so much already. I'm just having a blast with it. So it's you're going to see a lot of videos coming up on the channel, hence the mailbags going to patrons only, because honestly I don't have enough bandwidth to even publish the mailbags anymore on the channel. I'm booked for videos through to the fall, so it's craziness. Anyway, to the topic at hand tonight. If you guys aren't one for my my Sky Hunter. What do you have for your Sky Hunter, Robert? Oh, on 433. Oh, telemetry radio, probably, I would assume. Anyway, the giveaway later is going to be, I'm going to do 2 of them. We're going to build an electronics kit and we're going to give it away, hopefully to someone who needs it. I haven't done a giveaway on the channel, and what happened, wish I could switch to my other camera, but I'm not going to, so I could talk to you easier, but I was doing my Kiva loans. If you go to my website, makeme.org, on the main page there's a page called Investing in Change, and that's, I donate a portion of the funds from this channel, a very small portion, but it's all I've got, to Kiva, which loans out money to people in developing countries that need it. It's not a giveaway, it's loans. Anyway, I do that, and I've been doing it over and over, and giving the money back and recycling it. And it came due last week, and I realized I haven't done anything to give back to you guys in a while. So what I decided is we're going to build a kit so that somebody can have some fun with some electronics, because as you guys know, I have lots. I have all of this stuff over here. I have kits, I've been stockpiling all this electronics, cheaply stuff from China for a long time, and I can afford to give back a little bit. So we'll build a kit tonight and we'll give it away, linked in Discord down below. Join the Discord, and that's where the giveaway is going to be. But we're also going to give one away to the people right in chat here, because as one of my trolls will remind me that you can't direct people off of YouTube for a giveaway. Well, I'm not going to direct anybody off. You can join my Discord down below and we'll give one away there, but we're going to give it away in the comments here. So, but first up, we need a microcontroller. I think we need a micro to get somebody started. Telemetry on 433. Yeah, okay. What do you guys think? Should we give somebody... What's your favorite flavor of microcontroller right now? Our options right now are Arduino Nano. We have some other Arduinos. I'd like to keep it small if we can, because shipping is cheaper, a lot easier too. So we have some Arduino Pro Micros and stuff like that. We have Arduino Nanos. They're great. Arduino Nano is my favorite microcontroller by far, still to this day. We have Unos. I don't think we'll do an Uno. But we also have, we have Digisparks. I really like the Digisparks. That would work good. I wish I could fix the webcam now. I've killed my software and my exposure is all wonky. We'll do our best. Or we can move to a Wi-Fi enabled microcontroller. What do you guys think? I think we should do a Wi-Fi enabled microcontroller. That opens the door up for a lot more projects, don't you think? I think what we'll do... My mind keeps coming back to this. A Wemos D1 Mini. That's what's in my Rescue Air project. Except as a Mini Pro in that, but same difference. Same microcontroller, just with external antenna. If we do a Wemos D1 Mini, somebody could build a Wi-Fi enabled project. That opens up a few more options for them. I think we'll do that. Let's pick one with... Here's one with headers. Is it a Mini Pro or a Mini? I need the Mini Pros right now because I need to build more iterations on the Rescue Air. So there's a Mini Pro. If we do an ESP8266, that would be alright to get somebody started, right? What do you think? What kind of bias is that I make Arduino add-on boards? Yeah, well, biased is alright. Rotor Riot, yeah. Rotor Riot sticker on my case. Mini Pros, no. Alright, let's do a Wemos D1. Let's do a Wemos D1. So let's build a kit based on that real quick. What do we need? Next we need something for them to prototype on. That'd be this kit. Let's keep rolling. Roll at a fast pace. So if we do one of these nifty little breadboards, how about one of those? That's small enough that they could, how well does that fit for width-wise? Does it give you, yeah, it gives you one row on either side and some extra room. So it'll be, shipping from Canada here is tough, so if we keep it to a small breadboard, I might swap it for a bigger one later before I ship it. I'm not sure. But that'll get them, that's good enough for the Wemos D1 Mini and some components. So they're going to need some wires. Let's get them, I'll tidy these up later. Let's get them, yeah, some jumpers. Yeah, some jumpers. Then they can build something. Okay, next. Actually, probably from this kit. If you were just starting out in electronics right now, what would you want to play with? Everybody, like, we can do like all the normal prerequisite stuff or anything up to any sensors. Let's take a look. Audio amplifier, no. Voice, no. Stepper drivers, probably not. MP3 player, maybe. That might be fun. I'm thinking more basic, just in case the person's really new. Oh, I know what might be an option. Let me look. So, move you up again. I'm thinking that might be fun. Temperature and humidity sensor. That sounds like a good idea. It's a DH22, I think, or DHT11. Either way, I think that would be good. And I think it's kind of loose in here, but I think a button or two, maybe, and some. Oh, how about RGB LED? That might be fun. And I think I'll just put an assortment of LEDs in, because who doesn't need a blinky? They're going to need a resistor to go with those, though. I'll have to find some resistors and put them in before I send it out, unless I can find something handy here. Actually, probably have something. Hello. Hello, hello. Aha. 10K. Yes, please. Pull-ups. 220 ohm. Yes, please. LEDs. 1K. 470. Done. We give them everything. That'll get somebody going. What else? All kinds of goodies in this bag. It's mostly all just loose, passive components. What else could we give them? White is DH22. Oh, okay. I thought they came in blue too. Learn something new every day. Okay, what else? We got switches, sliders. Oh, I know. This is gonna get heavy. The heck with it. If we're gonna make something, let's make it good. Sorry, I should have showed you guys what I'm up to. I'm over here, somewhere in these heaps. Das Encoderage Who doesn't need a good encoder for a project? Encoders make all projects gooder. So then you have a push button. They're gonna... this small breadboard's not gonna work. We can't ask somebody to learn on that, or... this is more useful to everyone. That way, if we're getting into encoders, they're gonna need something bigger, so... full-size breadboard it is. So now that we're gonna be paying to ship bigger, well, sky's the limit. We might as well go big. Go big or go home, right? Okay, let's see what else we got. A voltage regulator. That's a good idea. We could definitely do that. I don't think I have too much for regulators, though. Let's just see. We have... Alright, yes. Yeah, I think we have to, right? I think we have to. Who does not want... Oh, that's one of the white ones, too. I like the white ones. Timeless. Nokia 5110. Gotta have a human interface device. I've been favoring the OLEDs lately for a multitude of reasons, and actually I've been using these tiny OLEDs too. But my heart's still, the Nokia is just, it's like the phone, right? It's just bulletproof. These are all wireless. Does anybody, what do you guys think? Should we do 7-segment displays? Personally, I don't touch 7-segment displays anymore because it's a lot of freaking wiring for not a lot of payoff. It's just not my thing. You guys all see the rescue. Yeah, that's not going out with the rest. Sorry. 7-segment display, sure. Okay, let's do it. Okay, next. Actually, we're gonna... I'm just thinking, if we're gonna give that away, then I think we better give a microcontroller away here on this channel, in the chat when we go to do this. So let's pull out, there's another Wemos D1 Mini. We'll do that in the chat here, and then we'll do the other one. Make sure that you've joined down in Discord, and oh yeah, I didn't even tell you, in Discord, in the lobby channel, you will find the way to enter to win this kit right tonight during this broadcast. It's in the lobby channel. All you have to do is click the little celebration thingy on the giveaway message in the lobby. I just pulled it up now. There are currently 3 people entered into the competition to win all this wonderful stuff over here. But all you have to do is click on that little, well, it tells you, click on the little celebration icon and you'll be entered. Okay, so we've got float sensors, no. Smoke and gas sensors. I kind of need those for a project coming up. Soil moisture sensor. Those are fun to get people playing. These are not long-term good sensors. I have capacitive ones now, but I think it's fun for somebody to play with a soil moisture sensor. It's fun. It's a simple sensor, and it works with the ESP or anything. It's just an analog sensor, so here's the other ones I've got. These are the capacitive ones that, again, for a project. This is all musculoskeletal and EMGs and stuff. I don't think any of that'll be real good. If you've got any ideas, shout them out, because I'm sure I have it. I like the idea of the voltage regulator. We're going to take a look for that right now. 7 segment. They should include a shift register. Yeah, I don't have a shift register handy, so they're going to have to drive it manually. Oh yeah, and they're not going to be able to on that ESP. Not without a bigger micro. Yeah, whatever. Beggars can't be choosers. This is free. This is going to one of you guys who's in chat right now, so I'm sure you'll be alright with it. Most of the people that are watching this probably already have all this stuff. But then you can always re-gift it to someone else. Buck converter, no. Buck boost. So the voltage regulator idea, I like that, but I think all I've got is 7805s here, which are 5 volt. I don't think I have any 3.3s. I have a couple of 3.3s that I know I can't give away because I need them. They're low dropout ones. So do you think they need a 7805? We could give one out. Might be handy. These are motor control. PWM drivers. Big buck and boost. Have I got smaller relay? Ooh, actually, I think I saw a relay in here the other day. Yes, ha, a relay. It's not a module, but handy little. This is just a 5 volt driven, 30 volt. Oh, 3 amp. There it is, 3 amp. That'll work. It looks breadboard-ish friendly. If not, somebody can make their own board. What else? What else? Oh, hey, wait. Shift register. Hello. Maybe. That looks about the size of a shift register. Somebody mentioned one. 74HC595N. What is the 74HC595N? That sounds shift register-ish. (74HC595N). You clever guys will know. Second place wins 1 month for free use of make me laugh. Plus cheese and lettuce sandwiches. You always have to do those too late. Sorry, Curry. Sorry. 74HC595N. I should put that. I'll just set that aside. One of you clever people will tell me what that's for. I kind of think it sounds shifty register-ish. What is this? It's a gyro. Oh, here. Yeah, sensor. Light sensor? Yes, please. Is this a tilt sensor? Yep. Rattles. Tilt sensor. Yes, please. All kinds of stuff. I might just redo this box. Push button with a cap. Yes, please. Do these caps fit these ones? Oh, they sure do. Clicky clack. Yeah, everybody needs a clicky clack. That's a shift register. Thank you, David. Okay. Hey, sold. Done. Boom. There's a suspiciously pinned mark in this styrofoam where one probably lived. Alright. We'll give him a shift register. There we go. Problem solved. We're not sending batteries. Batteries sound like a bad idea. Okay. Remember, go over and join Discord and click that button in Discord. There is currently 5 people on Discord right now, and hopefully if we can get Nightbot to join in this channel, maybe we can roll a winner here too, and we'll ship some of this stuff out, and it'll be fun for somebody, right? Why not? I like fun. I like this stuff. Like, I would use it eventually, but if this can go to somebody and just replenish their stock or have a little fun, why not? And I think we're gonna wind this down and do the giveaway here shortly. and then I can go back to, I would like to tonight write a little bit more code for this. If you, in Discord, you can see when I'm doing code commits. I have a channel that has been spamming that like crazy. And the other night was a big night for doing code on the rescue for the air unit. I finally figured out, stupid me was doing really dumb things and running, what I was doing was I was running my serial at my hardware serial at a different rate, or at the same rate I should say, as the GPS serial, which is 9600, and is really slow, and it was causing watchdog resets on the ESP8266, and it took me a huge number of hours to figure that out. Because watchdog resets on a microcontroller are kind of hard to troubleshoot. The stack trace isn't terribly useful for telling you exactly why it happened, but I figured it out and I was able to fix it. I just ran serial at normal speed and boom, problem solved. Go figure. And so then I worked on a bunch of other stuff for the SD card logging, and it just got the GUI working. Everything's just working wonderful. I'm super happy with that project. So I'm going to give whoever this is a voltage regulator too. I think it. If nothing else, who doesn't need a 7805 voltage regulator? They're just handy as heck. Let's do that. So, and all these resistors, which you need if you don't already have a whole cupboard full like I do. Who uses through hole anymore? Only for prototyping. And we'll go ahead and put everything together. And I think we're going to be in good shape. Breadboard power supply. Yeah, I have one or two, but I'm not giving that away. Still have to repair printer. Yeah, you should fix that. Share that video with some fellow firefighters. Search and rescue. Lots of attention. Thanks, Robert. I'm pretty happy with the rescue project. Obviously I'm biased. It's my project. I'm stupidly biased, but if you've been following this channel for a while, I'm not sure how long you've been around, Robert, but somewhere, if you've got firefighter friends, if you've been around long enough, you probably have seen this project. This is my gas sensor for emergency workers that broadcasts out the gas sensor readings from confined spaces. This was in Hackaday Prize 2015, and I got 4th place in the Hackaday Prize 2015. Went to San Francisco and the whole bit. And I like projects with emergency responders. I'm really biased because they bust their ass and they have very little support and very little budgets. It's crazy the budget that particularly our Canadian first responders work on. It's crazy. Like, they have no money. So if we can do something cheap like the rescue and it works to help find one person, heck, that's a win for me. So, well, yeah, I'm pretty happy with the project, and it does seem to work. The hard part is actually testing it. The hard part is not having stupid amounts of MAC addresses. I need to go places where there's no people, and that's actually hard lately in my area because everybody's out finally stretching their legs after COVID confinement all spring. So there's people everywhere, so it's hard to know how well it's working. I'm going to take it to the beach tomorrow and shoot down the hill with the Yagi antenna and see how well it works. It's supposed to be 30 degrees Celsius, and I live right in Goderich on on Lake Huron. So there'll be hundreds and hundreds of people at the beach tomorrow. It'll be capacity, and that'll be a test to see how make sure my data structures are all right, and make sure it doesn't overflow. And we'll see how many MAC addresses we can store. And I'm going to try it at range from the top of the bluffs. And if it doesn't work, again, spoiler, the Yagi version of this, they're the same board. It's identical from the base in the air. But the Yagi version, I have a low noise amplifier that I can tee in. The numbers seem to work, and it should boost. I forget how many dB I should be able to get, and pull the packets out of the noise floor as well, so I'll be able to sense a cell phone even further away. But there's a chance that it'll blow up the ESP8266 too. But numbers look promising. All right, guys, we've got a little starter kit here. I may add some more goodies, some more wires, but that's got a Wi-Fi enabled microcontroller, a bunch of sensors, a display, voltage regulators. Just, yeah, that should be. What do you guys think? Throw it in chat. Do you think that's a good little starter kit, or do you think we're missing something? And then we're gonna see if we can get Nightbot to roll a winner here. All you have to do is have just say something in chat, and you'll be entered to win an ESP that I'll ship anywhere in the world. I haven't given back to you guys in a bit. I would rather just do North America, but anywhere in the world. So I'll ship that stuff anywhere. The power supply or the controller card is punched. That's alright. You live by CFB Cold Lake. Ah, cool. Yeah, you're not terribly far away. Middle of nowhere. Cold Lake is... Cold Lake is Cold Lake. Isn't Cold Lake where... No, our snowbirds are from Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. But who's in Cold Lake? Isn't there an F-18 squadron based in Cold Lake? I think there was. I think that's where their demo F-18 came from. Anyway. Canada's known for its usage of duct tape and red green. Yeah, it is. We have lots of that. Please show someone else. Yeah, no problem. We can re-roll if someone else wins. You can laugh. You make fun of my duct tape. You rotten people making fun of my duct tape. This is Red Green would be proud. Check out this. That's real gaffer tape. Check out that. That is real Gorilla tape. That is real Gorilla tape. This is like high rolling stuff here. Now these are no-namers, but this is the good stuff. I actually don't use duct tape very often, but I have a good supply. Yeah, I put a Nokia in there. Yeah, nice kit. True Tech. Yeah, I knew you're not far from me. 410 Wolf F-18. Ah, cool. Funny enough, I don't know whether I think the demo F-18 that we're using, if it's the same one that we were using a few years ago, if you look up the history of that plane, it's been ejected from twice and been crashed twice. I think they were both on runway events, but it's been rebuilt, like literally ejected from twice. It's quite funny. It was here and I happened to look up the history on it. See, you come to the lab and you get useless information. All right, let's see. How did we do? Right on. We've got 6 entries in Discord. We're good. Gorillas, go to... Sweet. Okay. Let's see if we can get Nightbot to work. Can we... Let's see. Dead air, I know, but I'm just checking to see whether Nightbot's in the channel. I don't think it is. I'm gonna try something. Foil tape. We're just gonna try a couple of things. Let's see if we can get Nightbot to wake up. I don't think he's in the channel. So I might have to get creative. I might have to do both of them in Discord. Or... Oh, come on. Richie's Ready Room. Cheers. Why does nothing work? Why does nothing work? Why does... Chat is not available. Why? It says no one's here. It says Nightbot isn't here, but Nightbot is in the channel. I checked. If I hit roll, no eligible users. Oh, why? Normally it would just be able to... Yeah, good call. There was no Nightbot spam. That's annoying. Alright. Well... Alright. Well, what do you think? We shall... Is it possible for... Okay, what I'll do... We'll give this away right now in Discord. And then what I'll do is, just to keep it on YouTube, I'll let anybody comment on this video. I'll leave the video up. Anybody who comments, then I'll do a giveaway, a random comment picker for that. Because Nightbot isn't here and can't roll from the live comments, and I don't think I can come up with a creative way. This not included. You don't get my rescue. Sorry, guys. Let's see. Can we do the giveaway? Let's do... It should be G end. Let's try it. And we're rolling. Charlie Gabriel, you won. Alright, so send me a message in Discord. Charlie, that's a name I don't recognize. You must be new on the server. Cheers. Send me a PM and we will get that sent out to you. And unless you guys got a clever way... Oh, yeah, you don't get the rest of the 7805s either. There's already one in there, but I might add some more goodies and then ship this out, but I think that'll be fun for someone. And then if you guys want, just throw a comment down, just any word, and you'll get entered in that on the replay. Screenshot of the participant list on YouTube. Yeah, I don't think we can do... I don't have any way of... picking it that would be fair. It needs to be random, so I can do a random comment picker. That's the easiest way. There's no way for me to get a good list and then put it into a random picker from the live chat. YouTube just doesn't... You would think by now YouTube integration would have the ability to pick a person from chat, but oh no, we got to jump through all these hoops and mess around and whatever, so craziness. Sacco, yes, it's ESP8266. Are your prices on the website Canadian or US? They are a couple display in Canadian, but predominantly US, but you can always just I wish I could talk to the camera. Sorry, I can't stare you in the face because my camera's gone. On the right on my store, on store.makeme.org or makeme.org/store, on the right you'll see it'll say Canada, US, and then UK. If you just click on any one of the three stores, it just dumps you right into Amazon to the product page for that item, and then you can see it in either currency that you want. You don't need to go through the checkout. You can just click on the right hand side of the product, the Amazon store, and it just dumps you right into Amazon. So and that's for all the Amazon hosted items, which are everything except for my small PCBs. So which I haven't even sorted out yet, but we will have... Where are they? Where'd they go? Oh, here. So I put a couple of my older PCBs on the store, as well as I'm going to figure out a way to give some of these rescue boards away. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but for the rescue project, once I get this finalized, and you'll see in the upcoming video the layout. This one works really good. I'm quite happy with this. So I think what I'll do is I'll just I need to figure out... Canadian shipping is just a bugger, but I think I can put just a board in an envelope and stay under their stupid gram limit and get away with shipping them cheap. And if that's the case, I'm going to give a bunch of these away to anyone who wants to build a rescue air project, because PCBWay sponsored these. I didn't put a cash for this. I put a cash for my Adobe fees and everything else. But these were sponsored by them, which is super awesome. And in which case I intend on paying it forward once the project's finalized. So anybody who wants some of those are coming up, and they are based on ESP8266. So yeah, fun. Yeah, really fun. Yeah, it's impossible to contact people through YouTube. YouTube isn't good at community building. Yeah, in fact, they're completely destroying the community aspect. You can't try clicking on somebody's name in chat to go to their YouTube channel. You can't get there anymore. And just the other day, all email notifications were shut down. The only way you're going to get bell notifications is through the app or through desktop notifications now. YouTube is it's not that they're destroying community. They're systematically removing your ability to funnel the content that you want, and you're getting the content they want. Look at your homepage. You have to go to your subscriptions, buried one level deep, to see exactly the subscriptions you want. They want you to see what they want you to see. So unfortunate. Yeah, it's the way YouTube is going, and it is what it is. Email you for contact on Discord. Yeah, sure. Robert, if you want a board, there's no problem. Just hit me up in Discord. I'll be in Discord right after this, guys. So you can hit me up. Drop by in the lobby in Discord, and we can have a chat. Cool, guys. Right on. All right. I'm out, guys. Throw a comment on the replay of this video whenever it allows you to comment on the video and not into live chat, and I'll give away an ESP8266 to anywhere in the world. And this will go out to your winners, or to the winner. Congratulations. I'll see you in Discord. Cheers, guys. Have a good one.